What's the meaning of cow? Cow. Cow.
Cow. Cow. A cow is a domesticated mammal that belongs to the Bovidae family. They are typically raised as livestock for their meat, milk, and hides. Cows are herbivores and eat mainly grass, but sometimes also grains or hay. They are highly social animals and form strong bonds with other members of their herd. Cows are also known for their distinct appearance, with a large body and udders for milk production. Overall, cows play an important role in agriculture and food production worldwide.